In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to unhide apps on your iPhone. This restores full access to essential functions and tools that you may need for daily use. So guys, let's first hide this app right here. Long hold and tap on Require Face ID. Select on this second option of Hide and Require Face ID. Now if you head to your Hidden Apps folder, it will be here already. So guys, to unhide it or any other apps, simply long hold on the app in the Hidden Apps folder and select on Don't Require Face ID. It will successfully get removed from the hidden apps. That's how easy it is to unhide apps on iPhone. Some other related features is to add app as widget on your home screen. Simply long hold and select on the form of widget size you want. That's how the app will look like on your home screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.